Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to change camera angle in Ome TV. So if you want to go ahead and change the camera angle in your Ome TV video, or you just want to flip your camera, then this is a step-by-step guide for you. So the things that you need for this, for you to be able to proceed, is you need OBS Studio installed onto your device. So once you have that installed, you should have the OBS Cam registry fixer as well onto your device. And then right after, just enable the file in here, right after you have gone ahead and already extracted the file. So as you can see, you'll just have to click onto each file in here to activate this. Then right after, head onto the device manager of your app or your PC, and then you need to find the main camera that you have in here. So we need to disable this one so that the Ome TV won't detect this automatically. So let's click on to disable device, and then right after you have disabled this, let's go ahead and try to head onto the settings of your browser. Here onto the settings, just go here onto the privacy and security, scroll down until you find site settings in here, click onto that, and then right after here you should be able to find camera. So just click onto camera, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to choose HD webcam C252 since this is the camera for the OBS studio. And then once we have this set up onto our PC, then we're gonna go ahead and try to open the OBS studio. Now right after, just click onto the plus button in here, and then this video capture device. So we're gonna click onto OK here onto OBS Studio, choose the device, which is this one, the HD webcam C252, and then right after, we're gonna go ahead and try to click OK for that one. So here onto this one, you should be able to see your face here, and then for you to be able to flip this or change the angle, just right click onto this, and you should be able to see transform. So you can see different options in here. You could rotate 90 degrees, 180 degrees, flip horizontal, vertical, fit to screen, and many more. So once you have already find the setup that you like onto your camera in here to change the angle of it, you'll just have to click on to start virtual camera in here, and then right after, head back onto Ome TV, and you should be able to find in your camera angle in here already flipped. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.